Thanks again to XTE Inc. for sending us this sample. This is the X3, the smaller version of the already small e-reader. This is the ultra compact magnetic e-reader in space black. And I gotta say, the differences in packaging between the 4 and the 3 is worlds apart. Holy moly, that's a lot of stuff just for this one e-reader. My goodness. Wow, and I gotta say, isn't this the cutest little e-reader we've ever seen? And I'm actually wondering, is this the smallest one so far? Because remember, there is the Kyocera KY01L Docomo, and I'm actually not sure. We're gonna have to put that on the screen. No, it still looks like the Docomo is a little bit smaller. It's a 2.8-inch screen versus the XTE X3 coming in at 3.7 inches, down from 4.3 on the X4. They also weigh pretty much the same. So you're almost there. We're almost there. And the Docomo had touchscreen, and it truly does kind of fit in your wallet. This one is really close. It's got some pogo pins at the back too, but none of the accessories or anything they give you have anything to do with the pogo pins. Also, they do give you these little rings because they are meant to... There you go. They're meant to line up like that. So you would take the sticky tape off, you would put it on the back of your desired device, and then when you put the XTE ink on the back like that, it will stick. Obviously, we didn't take the adhesive off, so it's not going to stick, but that's the concept. And actually, you know what? This one fits on my particular phone better than the X4 because it doesn't get in the way of one of the cameras. Now let's just look at what we all have here. As we saw, we have an installation pack, we have a USB charger, which is odd because the last one didn't give us one, this one does, and we have the micro SD, which runs off of the micro SD card. What do they give us in this one? I believe the last one was a 16 gig, this one is a 32 gig. Okay, you know, it's interesting to see devices this small actually have SD cards. Man, that is tiny. That is a thin device. We have 2 buttons up top. Oh, I wonder what the other buttons are. Let's see. Let's wade through all this stuff and see what we have here. We have the power and the reset. Oh yes, that's right, they have a reset button. And yes, they do have NFC sweet spot at the back right there. Look, they even give you a sweet spot. Do they say that at the back? They don't. Okay, so the NFC sweet spot would be where the rings, where did the rings run off to? Here it is. So right about there at the top to give you the best thing. We'll show you that in the full review, of course. This one, interestingly enough, did not come with this thing right here, the lead wire. Let's just do a first time boot up to see what we're looking at right now. So the whole thing just starts right up, and of course there's no touchscreen as to not get in the way when you hold the back of it like that so it doesn't accidentally touch anything. So you'll have to use the navigational keys like this, left and right, and then you'll have the confirm, which is right there, select, and then back on the left, it'll say at the very bottom. And you can change all this stuff in the settings. There's a ton of different things you can change in the settings. We'll get over that in the full review. You can press and hold the back button to go back, and you can key map the back button and the confirm button, and actually all the buttons as you see fit. And real quick, let's see if there's any books in here. Nope, there's nothing. Oh, there might be something in here actually. No, there's no files. We'll be putting all that on in the full review, but for now, yikes, this is everything you get in the brand new XTE Inc. X3. Thank you to XTE Inc. for sending us this sample.